and I'm the lead tutor in the Faculty of Social Science and Humanities in Access courses online. I have a PhD in International Relations and European Studies and also a master's degree in history. I specialize in areas such as global education, global citizenship, intercultural education, intercultural competence, as well as international mindedness. And I present at conferences and publish in peer-reviewed journals in these areas. But I want to really speak to you about the courses we offer in Access in the areas of social science and humanities. These are courses that can give you an alternative pathway to university. They can be finished within 1 year. We also have a 2 years option. And also, they can be completed fully online. So you can arrange your studies around your work, around your family commitments, which is so important if you are coming to education as an adult. So let's get to it. Let me tell you about the courses in humanities we offer, what they are, what units we cover, and what careers or university courses you could go after completing our Access to Education courses. So our Access to Higher Education Social Science is a 1-year course, and this is really for people who are interested in human behavior and relationship within societies, for people who want to work within different social and with different social groups, because such course will enable you to undertake studies related to social sciences, sociology, psychology, social psychology, anthropology, and many others. And these degrees can lead you to careers in education, counseling, social work, charity and voluntary work, media, as well as research. And if you will look on our website's career tab, it will give you ample options of careers that you can go into with degree in social sciences. The other course I want to tell you about is our social science and humanities course. And this course is an option for people who would like to start further their career in media, social media, journalism, advertising, public relations. Maybe you already do some works in these areas, but now you want to get further degree. So this diploma will allow you to apply for university courses in areas such as, but not limited to, journalism, sociology, social policy, politics, philosophy, and you will gain knowledge and skills that can be applied in different fields and scopes. And that's the beauty of this course. It really gives you broad knowledge and broad skills that you will be later able to apply in different settings. These are the skills that employers are looking for. They are looking for people who are creative, who can come up with new ideas, who can think quick, make decisions, give logical arguments. And this is what we will be working on in our courses, for you not only to be set and have the correct and appropriate knowledge, so you are confident in it, but also that you have skills that you will be able to navigate in the future after completing this course. So very much, I encourage you to look at our courses, look at our website and descriptors. You can see more information as you scroll through the course on our website. You can see the possibilities in terms of our modules, our careers, sorry, not our careers, possible careers. And join us. And within a year, you can have your Access to Higher Education diploma, with which you will be able to apply to universities.